Andobil cup holder mount. This is a military grade, super stable, gooseneck style cell phone holder that you place just in your cup holder simply. It is very adjustable. You will see how you can adjust it by just twisting the base of it itself, as well as it coming with extra padded extenders. So as you can see here, the gooseneck is super flexible. You can have it further up or lower from about 5 inches all the way through 13 inches, depending on how you have it bent. And this twisting mechanism that I'm doing here is how you extend the base, plus add on the tiny extenders that we had just seen as well. This will work with a whole variety of compatible phone models from iPhone 14, 14 Max, etc. Check through their list. Basically anything from about 7 to 13 inches. But I love that this has a full 360-degree rotation. It is super stable and a great assistant for while you're driving. Highly recommend it. Check it out.